Hey guys, I'm Daryl and welcome to this edition of our off-road camper build. Today we're going to remove the existing boxes on the drawbar on this and we're going to install our new Gullwing storage box. So now we've got the old boxes off. On the mounting face of the old box where it mounts to the camper, I'm going to mark a centre line on that, mark a centre line on the new box, make a template for the mounting holes from the old box and transfer that to the new box. So we should just be able to put it on and bolt it straight up then. Now the box is now mounted up to the camper shell. The only change I've made to the original design with the mountings is to put a square faceplate to spread the load a little bit more, because this is only 2.5mm aluminium. So the next thing we have to do is to mount the front of the box through to the cross member, and you would have seen I've cut that cross member slightly. I didn't want this rebate coming any more to the floor of the camper, and we've got plenty of meat on that cross member anyway. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to mount this cross member between these two aluminium uprights, drill through here, drill through the outer shell of the camper and go through the cross member, and that will sandwich the outer shell of the camper between two fairly strong pieces, and we're using the frame of the box to mount rather than the outer shell. So that should work out quite well. So let's get into that. Now I've been trying to shoot this video all weekend between bitter cold and rain, and I was supposed to have it out middle of the week, but it's now Friday and I haven't. And what happens after I put the last bolt in? The sun pokes its head out, there's not a cloud in the sky, and all of a sudden it's a bit warmer. Can't believe my luck. Anyway, it's worked out really well, really happy with how it's mounted up. I've had people ask me why I've done the gull wing doors. It's because they open up, you can get quite close to the box, but you're not encroaching on width, whereas in my country, if I open it up on the right hand side, if you're opening a door, it could open up into traffic or something. These things don't. They work quite well there. You've got nothing, you don't have a door hanging out when you walk around the camper, so that works out well. So now we've just got to work out how to outfit the interior of the box. I'm still working on that. Now, next episode, this large flat area up here, we're going to put a storage solution up there. And it's going to be involved hacking into a brand new product. So don't you love that? So look forward to that next time. So that's about it today. Really chuffed how this has worked out. It's exactly what I was hoping for. And by the time it's all outfitted and that, you'll see the end vision for it. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.